How to sign up or create an account on ZebPay. If you want to sign up or maybe create an account on ZebPay, it is very simple to do so. What you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the ZebPay application, and once you launch the ZebPay app, this is the interface that you will be able to see. Now when you've done that, at the top you can say says login and or start your journey, so tap on that particular button. Now you simply have to go ahead and then enter your country code, and once you enter your country code, go ahead and also make sure to enter your phone number. And once you go ahead and then enter your phone number, let me just go ahead and do that. You can just tap on the proceed button. So if you don't have an account with this, it will ask you to agree to the terms and conditions and create an account, and once done you can simply enter the OTP code that will be sent to your mobile phone. Once you verify the code, you'll be successfully signed up or logged into your ZebPay account. This is where you can create an account on ZebPay. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.